Will now be recorded.
Okay. So good morning team. In today's session, we are going to talk about PySpark joins team. So why we need joins? First thing, what is join? Okay. Join means, let's say, remember team, your data comes from multiple tables, right? Employee ID, employee name, employee salary, department ID. You will get it in an employee table. This is an employee table schema. Correct? This is the employee table. Similarly, if you look at department table, your department table will have a department ID and a department name. Now, if I ask you, let's take one record example. One Rama, 1000, department 10, two Krishna 2000, department 20, three Sai 3000, sorry, 3000, department is 30. Now if I say 10 HR, 20 IT, 30, uh, like let's say testing or support. And now I want to know Rama belongs to which department. Can you tell me Rama belongs to which department team?
Support.
HR.
Sorry, HR.
HR.
How you are saying?
Based on the department ID, in
Based
the
on
department
department.
table,
So
from employee
here
table. Yeah.
department, yeah, yeah. So your department ID is 10, which means it is HR department. You are matching this ID with this department ID 10, and you are getting the department name. Meaning, as your data is coming from multiple tables, you are joining these particular tables based on a common key to get the required information. So for that, this is what the join means. You understood what is join. But why we need join? Why data is coming from multiple tables? Okay. If you think of, let's say, 4, Srinu, 4000, okay, 4000, they belongs to same department. Let's say your department name, manager ID, extra you have. Okay. Manager ID, let's say 111, 222, 333. So department location, right? That's a Bangalore, Hyderabad, Delhi. So like this we have. Now, as you spreaded the data into multiple tables, what happens is data is basically efficiently stored. We are avoiding the duplicates. We are maintaining data easily. Maintainability will be improved. Duplicates will be reduced and the cost will be reduced. For example, if you are not spreading this across multiple tables, instead you want to maintain everything in the same table. For Rama record, if you look at this data, for this data, you need to add everything here from this to here. Everything you need to add here. Hmm? If you add everything means what is going to happen? It will come like this. Same details will be repeated. See, same all details will be repeated for this customer. Okay, let's say he is also belongs to 20 department. Then what is going to happen to, let's say we don't have a 30 department. Let's say we don't have a 30th department. Okay, so now what is going to happen? Same data you are going to repeat again and again. For 3 also will be repeating. See, because in a department you'll have multiple employees, right? Here 2 and 3 are belongs to IT department. If you consider everything we are maintaining here, right? Everything we are maintaining. 20 IT triple to Hyderabad, 20 IT triple to Hyderabad. Why you are repeating everything? Why you are repeating all details again and again? So what happens if you keep on repeating the same data again and again? Tell me, Tim,
Data
what will happen? Hmm?
data grows fastly and
Yes.
performance.
So the duplicate data will be there. Data volume increases, cost will increases, query performance will slow down, right? The managing these things are very difficult. Understood? Clear, team? Data grows rapidly, then cost increases. Okay, now duplicate data, and then slow query performance. Maintaining is difficult. Maintaining data will be difficult. So to avoid that, what we are doing? So we are just basically maintaining the department data here, here employee data. Whenever you want to know their department details, you join with this table to get that. So this is the reason why we need a joins. Okay. Okay. So why we need joins? Let me maybe put it. Okay. So why we need joins is the first reason is data comes from multiple tables. Okay, as you just have seen example. Why data come from multiple tables also, now you know the answer. Next, data comes from various sources. Let's say department data is a master data. It is maintained in a different database. Okay, master DB, they maintain the department data. Employee data is available under HRDB. Okay, department details are available in master DB. Employee data is there in HR database. Now the data is coming from two different databases. You collected all the data into data lake storage. Now you want to join them to understand which employee belongs to which department. What is the department name? Who is the department manager? Okay, so all that information you can able to get to know. Is that clear to all of you, team? Is that clear to all of your team?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's why we needed joins. Now the question is how many types of joins we have. So let me tell you this. The summary is, remember data comes from multiple tables. As I said, why data is coming from multiple tables? If anybody asks, you have to say to avoid duplication, maintain data properly, and data comes from various sources. So to combine information, okay, to combine information, we will be using the joins. Okay, we need joins because data comes from multiple tables to avoid duplication, maintaining data properly, and the data comes from various sources to combine information. Okay, or combining information, you can say combine information from different systems, we need a joins. Okay, got it? Right, we just have taken example master DB and HRDB. Now if we look at the types of joins in Spark, right? Anybody aware how many types of joins we have in Spark, team? Anybody aware how many types of joins we have in Spark? Types of joins in Spark, team. Remember, types of joins in Spark is inner join. Next one is left join. Third one is right join. Fourth one is full join. Fifth one is left semi join. Sixth one is left anti join. Okay, it is very simple. Let's say you have a left table is having a table, like let's say left table. This is the, okay, let's go into the Excel. It will be easy for us. So this is a left table. Left table ID is, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right table, left table, this is ID. Right table ID, okay, or LID, left ID, this is RID. The left, right side you have 1, yes, let's say 3, 5. Okay, so you have 1, 3, 5 here, and left side you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what is inner join? Remember, inner join means, okay, inner join means it brings the common records from the left and right. From the left and right, what is the common? 1 is common, 3 is
Three.
common.
Three
Only
is
that is what you will get. Left join. Left join means, as you are saying, left join meaning this is the left table. Bring all the data from the left table and matching data from the right table. So it will be, as there is no matching, null will come here. There is no matching, null will come here. Are you all getting? Able to understand or not? Left to join
yes,
means
sir.
all records from the left table matching records from the right table. Now for right join, can you answer, team?
So it will be 135 null.
So right table you will get everything. Left side you will get only matching data. Matching data is what?
13 null.
Left ID is 1, 3 null. Because fifth there is no matching, null will come, meaning all records from the right table matching records from the left table. That is the right join. Next, let's talk about full join. You know full join means? Full join means it's simple, all records from both the tables. How all records from both the tables comes? Simple, right? There is a, wherever there is a matching will go. When there is no matching, it will go like this. Meaning, now you see here what is happening, team. So 1, there is a matching, no problem. 2, there is no matching, here it will be null. 3, matching, no problem. 4 is matching, no, 4 is not matching, here null. 5 is not matching, this side is null. Okay, that is what the full join means. Left to anti, sorry, left to semi, right? Let's talk about a left to semi join. Semi means what? Off. Left to semi means only left side matching records. See, when you join a left and right table, what is matching? Only left side is matching, right? Sorry, left and right, only 1 and 3 is matching. Left to semi means, remember, right side IDs will not come, only left side IDs will come, only matching IDs. Okay, left to semi means matching IDs from left to table only comes. Left anti. Left anti is opposite to this. Left to semi is bringing matching records from the left table. Left anti brings unmatched records from the left table. What are the unmatched records? 2 and 4. That's it. That's it. Please let me know if you are clear, or are you clear or are you not clear? Yes, Sindhu. Yes, Sindhu.
No,
Please
sir.
tell me.
It's clear, sir.
Sindhu Raivarpu.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Okay. You raised a hand, that's why. Okay, fine. Anybody have any other questions? Everybody understood this?
Yeah, sir, left semi this side 1 3 and this side it will come matching data and left anti this side it will come null value, sir.
Left
Left anti 2 4
anti. See, Remember, left anti, left semi, your output is going to be returned only from the left table. Output returned only from the left table. Are you getting?
Okay.
Left to semi and left anti, output will be sent it only from the left table. If I want only right table, what I need to do? If I want output only from the right table, what I need to do? Think and tell me. I'll give 30 seconds time. Why nobody is able to answer? Right, right, like a right table matching records. If you want, right, what you need to do, you need to make a right table at the left. Left table should be keep it at the right so that it will be reversed. Meaning, right side matching records, right side unmatched records. You'll get it. Okay, fine. Anyhow, I'll explain in the here. Now, what is the syntax? You
Sir,
have to
I
understand.
have one question. Sorry.
What?
Can you go back to the Excel, sir? I have one question. Sorry.
Hmm.
Yeah, here in the left join or right join. So whenever we fetch the records, will we get the only left side data and matched data along with null data also? We'll get null data as well
Yeah,
in the
nulls
output.
also will come. Yes, unmatched for unmatched data, it will populate automatically nulls. Are you talking about if it is a null year, what will happen?
No, sir. I was just thinking if we have a null data in output, in left join will.
No, I'm not getting. You got the answer for your question?
Yeah, I got the answer, but I'm just thinking in output if we have the null values also, how it we need to remove the null data from the output.
No, null data, you no need to remove it. It is okay. So, for example, if you have an employee who is on bench, he is not associated with any project. Now, will you remove that entire employee record? No, right? You will simply say employee null, meaning he is not assigned to any project. Instead of null, you replace as bench. That you can do later. Instead of removing that null record, you will replace null with a bench. Bench means okay, he is an employee, he is not in any project, it is coming as a null, because for employee it is not showing any project means he is on bench, so it will come as a null replaced with bench for business understand. Okay, to understand by business users, you can replace nulls with bench.
Yeah, thanks.
Okay, now carefully observe. Now I am giving you time is 7:54. Okay. Now I am giving you time is 7:55. I am giving exactly 5 minutes. Okay. You just imagine. You just imagine. I have employee file in this location. Location is, let's say, global slash dev slash bronze slash emp. Department file I have in this location, global slash dev slash bronze slash department. Now you need to create a one data frame for this, one data frame for this. How you will read the file from this location, and how you will create a data frames. I'm giving you 5 minutes time. Everybody please give me syntax to create a data frame by reading the file from these locations. So file format is CSV. All these files are having headers. Okay. So please read these two files and give me syntax. Okay, everybody's. I'm seeing only 7 responses. Okay, so now, okay, 7 people shared their responses. It's fine if you are not interested. What I can do now, okay. Let me resume my screen share. You see, team here. I have a 2 data frames. One is employee ID, employee name, department ID. I have department ID and a department name. Now I have 2 data frames. Data from one is employee, second data frame is department. Normally, when we just download this result, when I just download this result, let's see now what will happen. I'm just opening both. Yeah. So this is our employee data. This is our department data. Okay, this is our department data. This is our employee data. So now we know this is department data. This is employee data. Correct team? Now what I wanted to do, I want to ask you if this is employee table. If this is a department table. Okay, if this is a department table, if this is an employee table, now let's say you perform a join. Let's say you perform a join. So when you perform a join between these two tables, if it is inner join, how many records will come in the output as per your understanding? How many records will come in the output if I do the inner join?
Inner join it would be 3, sir.
3.
3 or 4?
4. Null is also there.
Tell
No,
me team.
it would be 3.
Okay, everybody give me who will say answer is 3. So can you all say 3 in chat?
Yes, sir.
Whoever says 4, you can just you can also mention 4 in chat. Okay. Everybody's 3. Vaibhavi and Sudhir 4. Okay, Court is 4. Okay, very good. Fine. We know this 4. Okay. Everybody, I need answers from everybody. I'll call out the names whoever is not responding. Okay, fine. Now let me tell you, it is okay. The confusion will be there. Okay. Now I will give you one answer, then you will come to know. Okay. 10 you consider as a white ball. 10 you consider as a blue ball. 30 you consider as a red ball. 40 you consider as a orange ball. So here 10 means same white ball. 20 means blue ball. 30 means red ball. 50 means let's say green ball, because 50 we have not defined as a null means unknown color. Here unknown color. Now white you can match it, blue you can match it, red you can match it. But null means unknown color. Will you match with unknown color? You don't know what is the color. Null is coming because you don't know what is the color of the ball. So it can be anything. So anything, will you join with anything or you will not join?
Cannot join unknown color with anything.
Yes, anything with anything will not join. Meaning because you don't know the color of the ball. Color of the ball is unknown here, unknown here. You cannot join unknown with unknown because internally it can be maybe orange here, it can be blue here. So that's why we don't know exactly. We will not match null with null. So that's why the answer is 3. Some people who ever don't know null will match with null, you might have think. But remember, now you need to change your decision. Null will not change. Null will not match with null. Is that clear to all of you? Is that clear to all of you, team?
Yes.
Okay. Remember, null will not match with null. Now tell me, when I perform a inner join, how many records will come in my output, team? These details
3,
will,
sir.
this third one is going to come. So you'll be getting this data. Correct? This is what is going to be my final output for the inner join. Is that correct? Yes? Yes. If I say left join means what happens, Tim? We'll have all the data. Left means all data from the left table, matching records from the right table. What is the matching records? 10, 20, and 30 is the matching. So these are not matching, so all other things will become a null. Are you all able to understand? Because nulls is very important for you to do the coding. If you don't know the joins, you can simply drop. Like you cannot survive in the project without knowing the joins. Because I no need to say anything, right? But remember, without joins, you cannot even start your day in the coding. Okay, joins are very important. Now, right join means all the data from the right table matching records from the left table. Okay, 1 2 is matching. Okay, 10 and 20 is matching, and here 30 is there, 30 is matching here. See, 30th department ID is matching 30th department. So all other things are going to be null. Are you able to understand, team, how this is working? Okay, this is all your joins. Now let's talk about full join. Full join, how it will work, team? Full join means all data from here should come with matching records from here. So department ID 1020 is matching, department 30 is matching, but department 50 null is not matching, so those will come here. Are you getting? So there is no matching for this 40th department. Here it will be null. This department we don't know null. This department we don't know null. Are you getting what I am doing? This is going to be null. 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 This is all about the full join. What is left to semi join, team? Left to semi join means all the records from the left table, but only matching records. 10 20 is matching and 30 is matching. That's it. That's it. This is what the output of your left to semi join. What is left anti join? Left anti join means,
Non-matching records of left.
yes, non matching records from the left. What are the non matching records from the left? If you see, these are not,
Charlie.
these are not, just you have to delete and say shift cells up. So you have to say this is also cells. Okay, yes, 3 and 5. Now, when you say left semi join, how the join should be? Okay, you consider this as a DF EMP. This is a data frame for department. Then your join should be like looks like this: DF EMP dot join DF underscore department. Here, what is the left data frame? Employee. What is the right data frame? This. Then this result comes. If you want right semi, means we don't have directly right semi. This order you need to change. DF department you make it as a left side. DF EMP you make it as a right side, and use left semi. Left semi means here left table is department. This time what you will get? Left semi means first thing you will get a matching record. This is what you will get. Understood? Change the order to make it as a right data frame as a left, so that left semi will work. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, now let's move on and do the some hands-on team. Now I have these two data frames. Now let's learn the syntax. Now all of you know how to create a df underscore emp, right? You know df underscore department, how you can able to create by reading a files in a CSV files, right? You know, right? Everybody has given the syntax. I think 7 people has given the syntaxes. I think 7. Yeah, so some 10 people has given. I think last minute 3 people shared. So 10 people has responded and shared how to create a data frame, right? Now when you have these two data frames, how to join is simple. Multiple ways you can join. One is df underscore emp join with df underscore department. So what is the condition? Df underscore emp, I want to join with the department underscore id equal to df underscore department underscore id. What type of join? Inner join. I want to show the result, so you can just take it as a df out, display of df out, you can say. See the inner join output. Let's see now. Is it giving as expected? 10, 20, 30 departments only matching you are getting. Just to change here to left, that's it. Is it giving the syntax, like is it giving the same thing? So all the records from the left table, 10, 20, 30 from the department table, which are matching records. But there is no matching for this, and for this it is coming null. Are you all getting? If it is a right join, this is a 10 HR, 20 engineering, 30 null, 50 marketing, null IT. See, all the data from the right table you got, but only you have matching records from the left table is these 3 only matching. So you got matching records, all records from the right table, matching records from left table. For unmatched records, you are getting a null. This is the right join means. Full join. Just to mention as a full. Full means see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 you got, and see 10 is matching, 20 is matching, 30 is matching. There is no matchings for 3 and 5. You got a null here. And similarly, right side records also we got. There is no matching at the left side. We are getting a null at the left side for the full join. Now when I say semi, means you are getting only left table columns which are matching records. Semi means you can say semi left underscore semi, right? See left anything, left semi, everything is basically left semi only. You can mention as anything. Now anti join means I'll just mention anti. Anti means unmatched records from the left table. See, you are getting 3 and 5. 3 and 5 employee details you are getting. if I switch this, if I come here, if you make this DEPT here, department here, employee here, now anti-join will fetch data from where? From the department side unmatched records. See, this is department side unmatched records, 50 marketing, null IT. If you mention semi here, it will brings the matching department details. That is what I'm saying. You don't have right semi and right anti. Instead, you swap the order left to right. This data frame order, if you can able to switch, that also you can able to do. Is that clear to all of you? Everybody able to understand? Ahmad, can you tell me what is meant by left semi? What is meant by left semi join, Ahmad?
Returns only the rows from the left data frame that matches the right.
Okay, fine. Left semi means it displays only the left table columns and brings
Rows.
matching data. Now, let me first tell you the syntax thing. Okay, syntaxes. Syntax can be written in a multiple ways. Okay, this is one of the way. Let me tell you the other way to write the syntax. Okay, other way to write this. This is for one way. So you leave it. This swapping you understood, right? This is one way to write the syntax. The second way to write the syntax is very simple. So this df underscore emp, here you can say column names you can put inside a square bracket. So you can switch the condition like this. See, is it working? You put inner join. Is it working or not working? Okay, you can do this. Next syntax. df underscore emp dot alias means what, Tim? E dot alias was D. Now what I can do this condition, it's simple. Call of a dot department id equal to call of b dot department id. Meaning employee table I renamed as a E, data frame department data frame I renamed as a D. I'm saying a dot department id equal to d dot department id. So what is this call? Call is a PySpark function. You need to import it. Just execute this.
Throw another request. Column E dot department ID because the employee alias is E.
Correct. E dot department ID equal to call of D dot department ID. Okay, department underscore ID team. See, E dot department underscore ID equal to D dot department underscore ID. Okay, now it is giving anti join. Now you can also say left to join. See, left all records from employee table matching records from the department table you are getting. It is called a left join. Okay, clear? Is that clear, team?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Next, this is basically anti join, inner join, left join, right? Now let me also tell you the other syntax. When you feel that both the tables are having same column as a common column, name is same, then you don't need to use these many things. You simply say department. If only in case if department ID is same in both, meaning if for example in employee table department ID, in department table department underscore ID means you cannot use it. Okay, because here underscore is there, here without underscore. If both cases department ID is there, means you can put department like that. Understood? What is the benefit of this? Let me also tell you what is the benefit of this if you use like this is the benefit. If you see, if you use the syntax like this, department ID is coming only once and you are getting employee ID, name and department name. But same, if you mention it here, let's say inner join, if I mention, now you see department ID column from employee table, department ID column from the department table, both two times department ID comes, which is going to be the duplicated value, which is going to be the duplicated column is going to come. Okay. For example, when you use a full join, in full join, how it will work? You can see in full join, what happens is, here you have a department 10, 20, 30, 40. Here 10, 20 matching, 30 is matching, and 50 is there. So now department ID from employee table you want to take, or department ID from the department table you want to take. Which column you want to take now? In this scenario, you need department ID from both the tables or not?
In this scenario, we can use as a left table department ID.
In this case,
Yeah, required, sir. From
you need both the columns. You need any one column for department ID. Both columns you need, or any one column you need. Tim, tell me quick.
One is needed. One is enough.
Which one is enough?
Left
Whoever is saying, can you
Left
tell me
table.
which one is enough? Huh?
left department
Left
ID is
table, one is enough.
If you take 10, 20, 30, 40, you will get. What about 50? Where is that 50 ID? So you will get a marketing, but you will not get a, hold on. You will get a marketing, but you will not get a marketing ID, right? If you just to take only this column. Are you getting? So that's why what it does is, if you use this syntax, what it does, it takes only one department ID. It will check. If both are same, take one. If both are same, take one. Both are null, take null. If both are same, take one. If 40 null is there, take only 40. If null is there, take null. Null and 50 is there, take 50. Okay. So that's how it will create a single column with the all actual information required. It will take all actual information that is required. For inner join, you will not be able to see that change. But if you use a full join, you can see single department ID. It is taking single department ID. It is just putting wherever you have a department ID is existed, it is bringing. If department ID is not existed, it is bringing null. Okay. See 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 also what? Now you know department ID 50 means marketing. Even though you don't have any employees who are working under that, you know it is hacked. Okay. Now everybody understood the difference between this syntax versus this syntax. In this syntax, duplicate join columns will be appeared, but here you will have a single column based on your requirement. You need to take in real time. If you need both, you take both. If you want only one, you can use this syntax. Okay, so you can use the conditions can be passed this way, or you can use aliases and you can pass the condition this way also. What is the advantage of passing using this syntax is, let me tell you, it is very easy for us to select the columns. For example, I need all columns from my left data frame, then I can use select transformation and I will say call of e dot star employee table all columns comma call of d dot department name. I can just select it. It will be much more easy for us. Now you see department ID, all columns from the e dot star means all columns from employee table, only required columns from the department table we are getting. Is this clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Anybody have any doubts till here? Please raise your hands and ask your doubts. No doubts? Okay. Null will match with null. Haribabu,
Yes.
null, will it match with null?
No.
No. Okay. Now. Okay. Now I am going to ask you interview question and answers. ID. Left table, I have right table. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. Here you have 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 4, 4, 5. Tell me, otherwise let me reduce few. Harika, tell me how many records will come in the inner join. When I apply inner join between this and this table, how many records will come in my output? Only Harika. Okay, Pawan, you tell me. Harika, tell me for inner join. Pawan, tell me for left join. Hosur, Pawan, tell me for left join. Koti, please tell me for right join. Manikanta, tell me for full join. Neeraja, tell me for left semi. Pooja, tell me for left anti. Only till Pooja, you tell me this answer.
So 5 unmatched record from the left table. So 3. Yes.
No, you think and finalize the answer. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't change. You fix one answer. We will log that answer.
3. 3.
3.
Yeah, from the left table.
Okay, I'm giving you last chance. Think and tell me. I am telling you last chance means why I am giving last chance. You know your answer is right or wrong. Think and tell me again.
Yeah, right. 3.
Okay, explain how come
Inner
3.
join 20, sir.
How come it is 3? Tell me.
Left anti will be gives unmatched rows from the left table.
No, left table unmatched records. Correct. What all are unmatched records? Show. Tell me.
Unmatched records are the one is matched with the second table.
What
3
are
is
those?
not matched.
3 is not matched. Okay, that is one record. Okay, next.
Null is there.
Null 2 records. Where is third record?
Oh,
Where
I
is your?
mean only 2 records only there.
Then why you said 3 records?
Actually, I thought the I given ID actually. This ID is there, no? So I told like 3. 3 is there. ID
Now
equal
tell
to
me.
3 will be. No.
So 3 is unmatched and null is unmatched. So the answer is 2 for left anti. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Tell me Harika, Hosur, Pavan, Koti, Manikanta, Neeraja. You
For
have to
left
tell me.
join 22.
Sir, inner join 20, sir.
Inner join 20. Okay, left join. Hosur,
22.
Pavan 32.
22. 22, sir.
22. Right join Koti.
Yeah. 11 plus here, 7, 18, sir.
18.
Hmm.
Okay. Full
So
join.
19. Yeah.
Full join Manikanta.
Yeah, just a second. 7 plus 4,
Neeraja?
11,
16, sir.
Huh?
12,
16.
16.
Yeah.
16 for full join.
Super. Very good. Everything. I think everything is wrong. I'm not sure, but let's calculate. Okay. First thing is, you think of one is a white ball, right? This is also white ball. White ball will match with 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, this one also will match with all. So that's why whenever you have a duplicates, what you need to do, this side 3, this side 4. So every one will match with 4 means this is matching with 4 times, this is matching with 4 times, this is matching with 4 times. That's why 3
All.
into 4, 12 records plus plus 2 into 3, 3 to the 6 plus 4, one time it is there here, 1 into 2, 2. So total for inner join 12 plus 6 plus 2 is 20 records. Whatever, I think who is answered this, Harika. What Harika mentioned, inner join 20 is the right answer. Now left join, what is left join? Records which are there in the all matching records plus unmatched records. Already matching records are 20, meaning 20 plus unmatched records in left table is 4 and null. Sorry, 3 and null. Okay, already matching records are 20 plus unmatched records are 3 and null, meaning 2 records are unmatched. So answer is 22. So whoever is answer left join, who answered this left join, Kosur Pavan, what he answered is correct. Now for right join, already matching records are 20. 20 plus, what are the unmatched records? 5 and null. So meaning 20 plus 20 are matching plus 2. 22 is the answer. Okay. Koti, what you answered is wrong. You need to check. How come you got 18? You have to check. Okay. Next. Full join. Full join, Manikanta, how again, same mistake. Matching records already 20 plus. Unmatched in the left side is 2 records. Sorry, 3 and null. Okay. Unmatched records in the right side also 2 records, 5 and null. So meaning 20 matching plus 2 unmatched in left side, 2 unmatched in the right side. Total it is going to be 24. The answer should be 24. This is also wrong. This is also wrong. Next, left to semi. So you have a 3 records matching, 2 records matching, and this is 3. Okay, so once again. So these 3 are matching, these 2 are matching, and 4 is matching. So how many matching records we have? 3 plus 2 plus 1. Total 6 records. Answer should be 6, not 16. Okay, answer should be 6, not 16. Only 6 matching records are there in the left table. Next, left anti. Left anti, as we already corrected, 3 and null, 2 are the left anti, meaning the answer should be right join 20, right join 22, full join is 24, left to semi is 6. Are you all getting? Now, for same thing, now I'm going to show you practically, because this is how interviewer will ask a question. Okay, now I am showing you for inner join. How many records are coming for inner join? think it is just disconnected. So I think it is not taken the numbers properly, right? 1 1 1 2 2 3 4 null. Okay, 3 4 null. The right left side is fine. Right side it is not taken properly. 4 1 should be there, and 2 should be 3 2s, 2 4s, right? I think. See, that is what the AI means. It's not 100% accurate, right? See, now we have taken exactly as per what we have taken here, even though I have given, but it is not giving the right answer. Now, when I say join, inner join, you are seeing clearly 20 rows. When I say left join, 20, now you come 22 rows. What are those 22 rows? Left join means here 3 which is not matching, null is not matching. Total 22, 20 plus 2. Next, right join, execute this. Now you see 22. Right join means 5 and a null is there. There is no matching, null is coming. Next, full join. When we say full join, you can see 24 rows are coming. These are unmatched. Null and 3, there is no matching. Similarly, here you see null and 5, there is no matching in the left side. Total 24. When we say semi, how many records? 6 records are coming. When I say anti, 2 rows are coming. Correct? Yeah. One second, I'm just making small modification. Okay, so this AI generating, giving prompt again, taking time. Let's move on to same what we have given. Where I have given example earlier. I've given the same example in Notepad only, right? Where I have given. Okay, Excel. Okay, right. In Excel. Okay, here. Now let's move on to the next scenario. Maybe I will give my own. Okay, ID. Okay, this is the employee and location, and you have employee ID and project location. Something like this. I have team. Now, can you tell me? Everybody don't answer. I'll ask. You need to join based on employee ID and employee location, based on both. So employee ID should match with employee ID. Location should match with the project location. Tell me how many records will come in the inner join Rajashekar. Rajesh, tell me for left join. Rakesh, tell me for the right join. Sandeep, tell me for full join. Santosh Yadav, tell me for semi join. Sindhu Ravuri, tell me for anti join. Similarly, like same in the reverse again. Sindhu, you also answer for inner join. Srinivas Pambala answer for left join. Sudhir answer for right join. Vaibhavi answer for full join. Venkat answer for semi join. Vinod answer for anti join. Yamini, you also answer for inner join. I have explained to you who has to answer what. Everybody please give me. I'll record it here. Two answers. Inner join total 3 people I have given. You all 3 records. I will match it.
So join based on employee ID, right?
No, employee ID and location both.
Okay.
Employee ID should match and location should match.
Inner 2.
Inner join 2 records. Okay. Who answered this?
It's Rajshekar.
Rajesh. Rajesh, left join.
Sir, inner join is 5, sir.
Inner join is 5. Very good.
Inner join is 5, sir. Yamini.
Who answered inner join? Yamini also 5. Okay.
If semi-join will give 6 records.
Semi join 6 records. Okay. I am hoping you consider the condition is at same time I will put. I am not asking first join based on employee, next join based on location and give me combined count. No. At same time I will say employer and location should match with employer and project location. Okay. I'm hoping everybody is taking that into the consideration.
Full join 11.
Yes, sir. Full join is 11.
Next, left join Rajesh.
Yeah, just 11.
Sorry. Yeah, inner is 4. 4, sir, not 2.
So right join is 4 rows.
Okay.
Left join is 12.
Left join 12. Okay.
Anti-join 3.
And next,
3.
one more answer. Like I have given two people, right, to answer. Everybody give me.
Right join 11. Right join 11.
Right join. Left join second person to it. We know the anti-join how many?
3.
You only told this 3.
Yes.
Then Venkat semi-join. Okay, so let me tell you team. So one Bangalore is fully matching with one Bangalore. One Bangalore is not matching with one Chennai. Two Chennai is not matching with two Hyderabad. Two Chennai is matching with two Chennai.
Sir, your voice is very low.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Is that fine?
Yes, sir. Now it's fine.
One Bangalore matching with one Bangalore. One Bangalore is matching with one Bangalore, and same one Bangalore is not matching with one Chennai. Okay, remember. But one Bangalore again matching with one Bangalore. So one Bangalore matching with one Bangalore, one Bangalore matching with one Bangalore. Next. So one Bangalore will not match with Chennai, one Bangalore will not match with Chennai. Next. Two Chennai is matching. Two Chennai is not matching with Hyderabad. Two Chennai is matching with two Chennai. Two Chennai is matching with two Chennai. Okay. Meaning these two Chennais are matching with this two Chennai, and one Bangalore, these one Bangalores are matching with one Bangalore here. And three Kochi is not matching, four Mumbai is not matching. So the inner join is, answer is 5 is the right answer. Everybody understood? One Bangalore, one Bangalore, one Bangalore, one Bangalore is matching. So this is not matching anywhere else. Two Chennai is matching fully here, two Chennai, two Chennai. Total 5 records are matching. Now, when you know already 5 records are matching, left join means these 5 records, already matching records are 5, matching records plus unmatched records are 2. So left join is going to be 7. Right join is going to be matching records are 5 plus unmatched records are 2 plus 2, 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. So see how you are giving wrong answers. You need to understand. The interviewer will ask like this. If you're not able to answer this, you can think what will happen in interview. So answer is 9 here. Are you all getting? Because 1, 2, 3, 4. So these 4 are unmatched records. 5 plus 4, 9. Next. Full join means you know already 5 is matching. 2 are unmatched here. 4 are unmatched here. Meaning 5 plus 2 plus 4. What is 2? Unmatched in left side. 4 are unmatched in the right. 4 plus 2. 6 plus 5. 11 records for the full join. Okay. I think whoever answer 11 is correct only. Semi is 6. Semi join means how come it is a 6? It is only matching with 5 means, sorry, not even 5, right? 1 second, it will still 1, 1, and this 3. So you will have a semi join is 5 only. Anti join means, so these all are matching. These two only not matching. Kochi and Mumbai. 2 are the anti join results. Okay. So let me prove this. You have to be very careful, team. Interviewer will ask these scenarios. If you're not able to answer, it will be very tough to clear interviews. Okay. Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Chennai, Noida, Kerala. One Bangalore, Chennai, Kochi, Mumbai. Okay. So see here, DF employee join with the projects, employee ID matching and the location. Both conditions we are putting. The type of join is, let's say, inner join first. Let's get how many records are going to come in inner join. Inner join, how many are expected? Why we are getting 7? Any mistake is there in this ID population? Let me check. No, it is coming. Left join output is coming. Okay. This is just data is printing. 1 second. Remove this. Only I want to display output. Now you see only 5 records. Okay. Next. Left join. We are expecting 7 records. What are those 7 records? These are the 5 fully matching. These are 3 Kochi and Mumbai are unmatched records. Right join. When you go for right join, what is going to happen? 2 plus 3 are matching, 4 are unmatched. Here 2 are unmatched. So that's when null is coming. Okay. Next, full join. Full join means 1 1 2 2. Here you see 3 4. And you see these are 5 matching. These 2 are unmatched at the left side. These 4 are unmatched at the right side. Total 11 rows for full join. For semi join are only 5. See, only 5 records for the semi join. Anti join means only 2 records. This is all about the join stream. Basic syntax I have covered. Okay, different ways to write the syntax for joins we covered, scenarios we covered, for interview, for your real time also. Not only based on one column, you may need to join the data frames based on multiple columns. So this is how you will be joining. That's all for today, team. Anybody have any questions, team?
Sir,
Yes. Anybody have any questions?
Sir, I have one doubt, sir. So
Please.
here you are using the two conditions, right? Employee ID and department locations. So if I use the only for employee ID, so then output might be the changing, right?
Yes, definitely it will change. Let's say business wants to know currently employees who are working in the same location where your project is located. So then you need to perform a inner join to identify that. Okay.
Okay.
Any questions, team? Any other questions? No? Good. We are good. Okay, Tim. Then thank you all. That's all for today. Please practice join syntaxes and all, very important. Okay. Thank you.